Hello, welcome to Lighttech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix Spotify not working. In order to do this, the few steps you have to take are: log into your phone settings. So right here on my phone settings, I just have to scroll gently, click on app management, click on app list, search for Spotify. So right here, all you have to do is to click on my storage and cache and clear my cache. Having done that, I have to just go back and make sure I allow all the permission. Just have to allow it. Allow permission for camera, contact permission, microphone permission, music and audio permission, notification permission, photo and video permission. So having done that, I can now go back, go to my Google Play. Depending on your device, if you're making use of Android, you can go to your App Store. So right here on my Google Play, all I have to do is to update my Spotify. When I update my Spotify, we'll wait for a few minutes. It will be able to upload very well, and I can now go and open or log into my Spotify. So guys, that is it on how to fix Spotify not working. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.